As I think about the people that I work with, a large proportion of them are women who have somehow been harmed by men in their past. So I think part of it probably just plays into like my nature as a, not a very aggressive person and kind of a soft person overall. That I've really moved into this space of honor in terms of helping women who have been harmed by men. So often people that I'm working with are kind of like at that place where it's like, I don't think I really would want to work with a man. I've had so many bad experiences with them. And for some people, it just is not safe to be around someone who identifies as a man, and I would want to honor that safety. But if that's something that's on the edge, I often do encourage people to think, maybe this can be a healing experience, kind of a repairing experience. And that's a place that I really do love going with people, in a place that I really respect. I'm holding a lot as a representation of a gender, and I want to make sure that when I show up for people, I'm being really conscious of who have you been hurt by in the past? What have your experiences been in the past? How can I make sure that I don't repeat those experiences, even in kind of small form? So if what I'm saying is resonating with you and you're curious about working together, just give me a call or an email and we can have a chat and see where we go from there. Thanks for watching this video.